Hello friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is going to be part 2 in my series of Kitchen Organization 2021. And today we're going to purge and go through utensils. Now I'm going to start down here on my 2 drawers that houses my silverware, and I'm going to work my way down to those 2 drawers that house utensils. I also have utensils sitting here on my counter, and what we're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is go through, and there will be no duplicates, hopefully, or I will get rid of duplicates. There are some things that I know that I will need 2 of for entertaining purposes, but otherwise things are going to go. So I hope that you'll come on along with me and do this. Now last week, if you remember, we did our pots and pans, and that turned out really well. I'm really pleased with how that turned out, and I know that you guys that followed along are as well, because I saw the pictures in my private Facebook group that we have over on Facebook. Be sure to join us over there too if you're playing along, so that you can leave before and after pictures over there, okay? And you can find that at A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward over on Facebook. Okay, now with that said, come on in. Let's get rid of duplicates. So guys, before we get started, I wanted to show you, I did go by the dollar store, and I had a few containers, but got to understand that when you're dealing with my drawers, they're not deep, so I needed containers that would fit. So I bought 2 of these, and they're in blue. I wish they were white, but they're blue. They will do. I bought 2 of these with compartments. I think that might work in my junk drawer. I have these in my junk drawer, but they could use changing out, cleaning up, and for $1 I thought I'd just buy more. I bought 2 of these just in case. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not, but I have 2. You can always use these, right? And I have 2 white and that 1 blue. I hate the blue, but and I have this clear one, and I have 2 of these clear ones. These didn't come from the Dollar Tree. I had them in my stash, and I don't remember where I got them. I have those. And then I bought these, because if all else fails, you get these 3 for $1, and they'll fit in the drawer. So we'll see what goes on. So we're going to start right now, okay? Okay, so this one is really, really sharp. I keep it in here. That'll fit back there, and this sharp paring knife will fit back there. This drawer, if you can see over here, I'm going to leave as is. There's nothing here but my good silverware. This is everyday. This is good. So that's okay. I'm not sure what to do about these knives. So, unless, hey, how about this? And take all the steak knives out. Steak knives will fit right there. Okay. And then all the sharp knives can fit in here. Even though it's short, it's very sharp. I really need a cover for it. Okay, so sharp knives here, steak knives here. And that drawer is good to go. Let's see if I need to wipe anything out, see if it's still clean under there. can't hurt, right? And this is a knife sharpener, and we can put it all the way in the back and hope there's room. There we go. Takes up a little bit more space than I thought. Okay, on to the next.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry. We got something special. But you want the whole world. Cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave
sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel this way, but every time I hear your name, all my worries disappear, yeah. It's all because of you, you, you. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, true, yeah. It's all because of you, because of you, because of you. And I don't fall in love so easily, 'cause I don't wear my heart up on my sleeve. Yeah. I don't know if you feel the same, but every time I hear your name, my worries disappear. It's all because of you, you, yeah. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, true, yes you do. It's all because of you, because of you, because of you.
You know it's creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most of it. Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. I'm hoping for some brighter days. 'Cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. November gets cold. December gets darker. Let me know when you're home. 'Cause you're lighting a spark in me. It's pretty lonely. I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come on close. 'Cause I wanna be wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Side, wanna be by your side. Just for a while, stay by my side.
Okay, so my junk drawer is done. It's not Pinterest worthy, but I added 2 of these in here. So all these little, whatever they are, little screwdrivers and these things here wouldn't fall to the bottom. My junk drawer has mostly tools in it because that's what my husband puts in there. I do have some pins stuck here and some tapes here. Some wires, like to charge the ring when it needs it, and everything is convenient here. Phone charger. Some thumbtacks. A few little things, but mostly, instead of dragging out the big toolbox, I think he just likes to have a few things here that he can grab when, if and when he needs them. So I let it be. So it's not Pinterest worthy, but it is neat. And that's another one of the plastic see-through ones here. I just had to mix it up. And I had to use one of these little tin ones here because you can bend them. And these other ones don't bend. So I needed something to fit in this spot. And bending it worked really well. I would really like to toss this. I really would. But I know that as soon as I do, he'll be looking for it. So they stay. But they're all like for putting pictures and holes in the wall and that kind of thing. So maybe I'll just put them all in one bag. Now this drawer over here just has my oils and stuff in it. I am going to go over there and straighten it out since I'm doing this. It's not a utensil drawer, but I'm going to do it anyway. But I'm not going to video that for you. Maybe I'll take pictures and show you, maybe. And that's a maybe because it really doesn't fit in with the series that we're doing right now. But what I'm going to do is take the camera down and I'm going to go to each drawer that we did do. And I'm going to take you around and show you what I did toss. And I did get rid of quite a bit of stuff. Even out of this drawer, I got rid of a few things. So, yeah. And I had these left over for another project. How about that? So that's my junk drawer. Kind of not utensils, but it's one of the drawers. And I'm doing my kitchen. So, now let's take a look at what we've done. Okay, friends. So, this is one of my gadget drawers that I have cleaned out. Look, there's space. You can see the bottom. Look, there's space. And in this one, there is very little. I keep the marker in here because when I put stuff in the freezer, when I seal it, I put the date and what it is on there. So I need those. But yeah, that's one drawer. This is drawer number 2. Tea stuff and strainers. And I keep these ties that come off of bread and other things, and I've even bought some. I keep them in a little bag. So there's not much in this one. It's just that stuff. And here I have one of those Dollar Tree cake decorators, and then I have that on top. So it looks like there's a lot in there, but there really is not. I just couldn't squeeze that in any place else, and I thought it would be okay. So that's drawer number 2. I really like how these blue things fit. Wish I'd gotten a couple more of those. Okay, moving right along. We did the knife drawer. And remember, we took all the steak knives and put them back here and put the sharp knives in here. I moved my lettuce knife over here as well. It's on the side by itself. And the sharp knives now I feel a little better about people going in that drawer. I didn't want anyone to get cut. So that's that drawer. And if you remember, we didn't do anything with this one. It's just my good silverware that we don't use very often. And some junky one too that I had for a long time. So if I ever run out over here and every day, I have a few over there. So that's that. This belongs on this. There we go. And over here, this is what this looks like now, and it was overflowing. I do have a couple of doubles, but that's just for entertaining purposes. You need these serving spoons. But I did get rid of some as well. And here is what I have. This came out of the junk drawer. I got rid of a couple of spatulas. I mean, I'm thinking that I may keep one more of these spoons because I only have one. It has the holes in it so that you don't get gravies and stuff. So I'm thinking I may keep one more. Just if you're entertaining, you may need more than one. But I got rid of all this. I got rid of one meat tenderizer, some measuring spoons because I had some. I've had this for years and never used it. And it's where you put a stick of butter if you're going to butter something. I've never used it, so that's going. I had 3 of these, so I kept one. I don't even remember what they came with. But you know what they're good for? I could cut that end off and use them like to dip soap powder and stuff. I may think about that. But anyway, another one of these. I don't use metal spatulas, but I did keep one because it scratches up your pots and pans. This one spatula here, when it gets worn out, I'm going to have to find another because this is my go-to. And you can tell that it's well used, well loved, and well worn because it is clean. It's just discolored because it's been around for so long. I did buy a smaller one, but it just doesn't feel the same. So I may have to look for another one of those because I don't use the metal ones. But anyway, so that's what I've gotten rid of. And this thing right here was like overflowing. You could not get one more thing in it. And now there's space. And I think I still have what I need. Now, I did not bother my wooden spoons or utensils at all because these I use, and what I don't use, I can craft with. So they sit here and they're really not overflowing. So I think I'm going to keep all of those. And my friends, you've seen the junk drawer. So one more pass at that. And as I said, not Pinterest worthy, but it's neat and it's clean and I like that. And I really did touch, even though not utensils, my drawer that has my essential oils. So it's thinned out. I got rid of the ones that I ordered and didn't like. And have a few melts back there as well. We play cards down here sometimes when the kids come over. So Uno's back there and cards. And that's that. So my friends, we've done it. We have done it. Turn around. Let me sit down for a minute. Oh, I'm tired, kind of. Now I still have to cook dinner. Oh, go figure. But we've got it done. So this was round 2 of our Kitchen Organization 2021. And if you haven't joined us, we invite you to do so. And you, even if you're not a YouTuber or a blogger, you can join my private Facebook group. And you can still show your pictures before and after of what you've done as well. And just join in and have some fun with us. You don't have to be a YouTuber or a blogger to do this. We all need to do some of this sometimes. So join us if you like. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Next week, I'm thinking that we may do the pantry. Now, I realize everyone does not have a pantry. So I don't know if I should call it pantry or wherever you keep your canned goods and your overflow of food. Let's do that. Some people keep it in cabinets. You know, some people have large, deep drawers that they use. So for me, it's a one cabinet and a pantry. So actually it's, oh, 1, 2, 3 cabinets. Because my cabinets are older, so they're not separate. They go, 2 of them go across. Yeah. But I think that's what we're going to do next week. And if I change my mind, you can always find out what we're doing by going to my communications tab or my Facebook group. It will always be posted there. But that's what I'm thinking we're going to do. The pantry, or wherever you keep your food supply. So guys, that's it for this one. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've been inspired. I feel better. I can move things around in my utensil jar that sits on the counter now. I am going to pull the good stuff out of that. I just put everything together in that tray so that you could see, but I'm going to pull some stuff out and I'm going to donate it, bless someone else with it. Some things can be used and the rest will be tossed, and I feel good about that. Yeah, I do. And I hope you will as well when you do yours. So guys, with that said, I am going to invite you, I'm going to encourage you, and I hope that I inspire you to find something in your life today that brings joy. You cannot, let me rephrase that. No one can steal your inner joy. The world can manipulate, steal, hurt, change your happiness, but nothing can change your joy. So find something that brings you joy, and joy will give you peace. And I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, with hugs, and with blessings. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, remember to follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'm over there, and the links will be below, I'm sure, and they're also at the top. And also, check out my blog at aclwcc.com. You'll find a lot of organizational ideas and tips over there as well as some other little things as well. So join me over there to find out what's going on over here, and then join me on Instagram to find out what's going on everywhere. How about that? Okay, guys, so we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.